The second night, when I woke up and saw that, I broke into a cold sweat. For those of you that don't know, the Mario Kart tournament, the Hololive Mario Kart tournament is coming. And there are teams, and I was placed in Team B. And you're like, wow, good at Team B, what does that mean? Team B has, because this is company-wide, so there's ID, EN, and JP. The really good players are in Team B, with me, a not-so-great player. Yeah, so... Aqua Senpai, Susei Senpai, Pekora Senpai, Aki Senpai, Oli, Fana. Why didn't they put Ina in B? I don't know. Oh, Ina, hi Ina. Ina, are you here? Hi Ina.
Oh no, I didn't realize you had the Discord overlay on.
Busty.
I am mildly responsible for your placement in Group B.
What?
Because I chose where you started on the ladder.
What?
And you happen to be in a spot where you get put into Team B.
What? What? You
When
sacrificed
you
me?
in, I
You
didn't
fed
know
me
it
to
was
the
gonna-
wolves?
I didn't know it was gonna be B in the end.
Did you know who the other players were?
By the time I was in the call, yes, a lot of the JP senpais have been chosen. However, I did not know where each of our placements were going to be. And
Ina.